everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are back today with some easy, healthy recipes. They're all super delicious, so I'm really excited to share them with you. And it's double exciting because this video is in partnership with Zevia. I have loved Zevia for so many years. I've been drinking it for probably like 7-8 years. If you haven't heard about Zevia, which you need to hear about, it's a soda alternative, and it's a 0-calorie, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors, non-GMO, no carbs, no calories, no garbage. So super exciting. I definitely recommend this to everyone who's looking for an alternative when they're switching. They have cream soda, which is one of my favorites, along with ginger ale. Another one of my favorites, they have cola, lemon lime, black cherry. So it's a really great alternative. And like I said, I've been drinking it for years. So I was super excited to be able to do this video with them. And I created some delicious recipes and some really sneaky ways that you would never think that you could use these, but you can. So stay tuned. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first recipe we're making are these cream soda pancakes. I'm starting off with some almond flour, which has got a great dose of protein and fats, some baking powder, which is going to help it rise, along with 2 eggs. So I'm cracking the eggs into a separate bowl. So we had our dry, and you want to crack the eggs into a separate bowl, which is going to be our wet. Then I'm adding in some coconut cream, which is the thick part of the cream from a can. So you want to refrigerate that overnight and then just take the thick part. Then I'm adding the wet into the dry. And of course, all the measurements will be down in the description box below, so you guys don't have to write them down as we go. I'm folding that in, and you want to fold it just until it's combined. You don't want to overmix. Then I'm adding in the cream soda Zevia, which, as you guys can see, it's clear. It's got no artificial colors. It's sweetened with stevia, no GMOs, none of that stuff. It's delish. And they make these pancakes so light and fluffy. It makes it delicious. It's a secret hack to getting like a really good pancake. I'm cooking that on medium heat until the bubbles come through and then flipping them over. And then you get your wonderful cream soda pancakes. And guys, these smelled and tasted amazing. Next up, we're making this bruschetta type dip. So I'm using an avocado. You guys know how much I love avocado, great healthy fats, and I'm adding in some lemon lime Zevia. And this works instead of lime juice, and I'm just mashing it with the avocado. It also really helps you to mash the avocado up, and it just, like I said, you get the lemon and the lime, which I think is great. We're putting in a pinch of Himalayan salt, which balances your pH, is full of essential minerals. And then I'm taking some tomato as well as some red onion, kind of making a hole in the avocado and putting that in the center. And then you can have this with crackers or veggies. Next up, I'm making a ginger ale mojito. So I'm rolling out a lime, and you're going to need the juice of 1 lime. And this is a virgin drink. I'm not putting any alcohol in this. It's kind of like a great spin on a normal mojito. So I'm squeezing out the lime from that. And lime is such a great citrus juice for you. I feel like it's underused. I feel like lemon gets a lot of attention, but lime doesn't. Then I'm adding in a handful of fresh mint, and yes, I washed it first. So just wash your fresh mint, and then you want to put that in. And I'm going to be using my straw to muddle the two together. So the lime juice really helps to break down the mint and you get the flavor. Next up, I'm adding in the Zevia Ginger Ale. Now, I know what you're thinking. You might go for the lemon lime, which would taste also awesome as well, but it's such a different flavor with the ginger and then the lime and the mint. It's delish. You can add a few ice cubes in, and this has been my go-to drink for a while now. It's delish in the summer. Next up, we're making some scrambled eggs. So you're gonna need 2 eggs, or however many eggs that you want to make. And I know what you're thinking, guys. We're gonna put it in eggs, and it works so well to make the eggs nice and light and fluffy. So just whisk your eggs together first. So I'm doing 2 eggs, and then I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of the lemon lime one. So you can do any flavor you like, but you want to do 2 tablespoons for every 2 eggs you do, and you whisk that together. And it's such a great way to add some nice fluff to your eggs. The consistency is great. It's like a little secret hack. So I love showing you guys like little ways that you may not think you can use this on a day-to-day basis, and they just turn out so perfect. So I highly recommend trying this out. And lastly is this coffee soda, which is another one of my favorite ways. So I'm taking some cold brew concentrate. You can also use espresso or strong coffee, and I'm adding in cream soda instead of adding just plain water. And it makes it so delicious. You get the fizziness from the cream soda, you get the coffee flavor, and then you get the wonderful cream soda taste. It's so yum. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try these out, be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see them, share them, and everything like that. And also, don't forget to follow along on Instagram as well, because I'm always sharing recipes and tips over there. Thanks again to Zevia for sponsoring this video. It was such a dream collaboration because it's a brand that I've loved for so many years, and they're just like a good company, and I love working with good companies. So thanks again to them for that, and I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.